Welcome back to another great video with your boy Caribbean Vibes Cooking. So today I go check Rasta. Rasta really live far from me still. Rasta live about a minute. So we are going to prepare for our next video. You know, we have about 4 soursop fish. We are going to pick them up. So actually I go scald them and then put them in the fridge so then you can get to freeze up so we can actually pick them. We don't even know which part we are going yet, but that our next video where I come up right now, you know what I mean? Yo, General, where are you? Yeah, man, so I should both go link Rasta. As I say, I'm about a minute away from me. So when we reach around there, we're not going to see what I go on. So actually, because the soursop fish them big and 4 of them, so we can't call the 4 of them one time because we don't have the pot. So the thing is, after we scald, we're just gonna put them back on the fridge. We make them body get back firm because you know soursop fish is a little bit gummy. So one thing with Jamaica is always a fruits in a season, you know. Rasta there why yeah, they cut up chicken back and pork bone. Yo! I want to see Rasta there, guys. I want Rasta yard full of dog too.
Yeah.
I want what up on the menu?
The menu, you know. Yes, I get to meet them clean up tomorrow morning. So I'm gizzard me clean up now. So I have turkey and chicken back, chicken foot, gizzard, pork bones in a big chopper.
Alright, I wanna drop none of them up on the channel. You don't even cook no chicken gizzard yet. Yeah, boss yard full of dog.
You don't see them, you don't see half of them, there's quarter of them.
Where boss lady there?
Down for the beach.
Oh. You know, so I'm just forward off our work, boy. I want to food thing them people in my bag.
Yeah, guys, you see that? As we say, first in our history, we're not going to see this. Steam earchag in a file paper, whole. Just season them up, cut out them belly, stuff them, wrap up in a file paper, put them on the tin sheet. First, we're not going to see this. Steam earchag, whole. We now cut them up, whole away to them.
4 big old monster.
Yeah, man, so we'll get them sort out, we'll get them scald and get them pick. So wash them up and now we get them scald and get them pick this Sunday. Yeah, man.
Big, your bounty Jones, one of them weigh about 7 pounds. Yeah. So because they were in the fridge.
Earchag for days.
Yeah, so because they were in the fridge, so basically we have to thaw them out.
Yeah, man.
Before scald them.
Before scald them because ice not them, then tough enough because you don't put on the fridge for a while. Scald them and I'll pick them up. I hold where I cook them, so I cook them all for the kitchen.
Yeah, man. See them there. Look what they are. Yeah, man. As Rasta said, first in our history, you know, people are going to see steam roast earchag, you know. Like many persons in Jamaica used to earchag by curry. You know, so the thing about Caribbean Vibes along with Rasta, we aim to please our valid subscriber them when they come on to new content, when they come on to always great ideas, you know what I mean? So that's how we plan to drop for content and by always be different, always outstanding, you know. Boss lady there. Where are the boss lady? Yeah, man, you know, say I deal with the earchag them and all, don't.
So yes, peeps, we're going to scald them and then we pick them, scald them, put them in the fridge, make them cool. That's easier. When you put them in the fridge, it's easier you can pick out the bone them. Because when them too hot, you'll find when them too hot, you'll find them, when you pick them out, it's going to mash up. So easier way, we scald them and then we put them in our fridge and make them cool, and then we take them out and pick them, and we get a better pick out of them. So we'll get them scarred, you know. So we'll put them in the pot, we'll get them scarred.
Yo, take time with the soursop fish them where I drop them.
So I take time with them, boss, I take time with them.
What are them me want to? What me want for me say Sunday, no?
Yeah man, as we telling us man, a history we are create now. I first in our history, you never see them steam roast A-chad on tin sheet. And Caribbean vibes are do it. We are bring out it for you first. Boom.
Yeah man, welcome back guys to the second part of the video. So today we are head out. We are doing things a little bit different today. We are going along the beach park between the border between Westmoreland and Hanover, you know. Yeah man, so the taxi come through. You know. Boss lady there.
Yeah man. Oh, then what is that?
Well, I will load up today out, I swear. Rasta, how we are left? How we are left with Rasta?
Can't left me, can't left me. That's the peeps, you out this man, not them peeps. The boss, a long way we are reach. On the beach, yeah man. Listen, steam A-chag, whole of A-chag with crackers. Boom.
I want Long Bay Beach Park, you know. Long Bay Beach Park, 7 miles of white sandy beach. One of the most beautiful area in Westmoreland. We have the best beach, 7 miles on the hip strip, and then we are going to them. Yeah. Yeah man guys, long overdue. So actually see this time welcome to Negril on TV or on the internet. I first me actually get the chance to check out the sun, you know. We're in Hanover, you know. And there's a little change of plan because we actually go down a long beach park to shoot the video, but only for people down there. But, you know, you can do the music and things, so we are trying to find a perfect location where we can actually shoot. So see Rasta there. Rasta hold on for the E and Negril.
Yeah boss.
Boss lady.
Yeah.
Now I see this time on my phone.
Yeah.
Don't see it.
Yeah,
Witness it for real.
Yeah man.
History in the making, you know.
Yeah.
History, yeah man, we're there in Hanover.
Finally get one spot where I go use, you know. I think they shoot video yesterday, a couple of years ago down on Long Bay Beach. So actually left out Friday night nights and come way back down, you know. But good if you can shoot amongst the people them and get for them reaction and thing, but when you come on to the music, you know, say it's a no-no. So I try to kick out the ball game soon and early because you know one thing with Negril, rain always a fall. I tell you that I think about Negril, rain. And then we just see rain just pop from nowhere, so we're going to try to see how fast we can wrap up that vlog. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, we're going to go across the road. We're going to go across the road and see if we can find some firewood to start the ball. The rain set up.
That's why we have my feet, sir. Eh? That's why we have my feet.
Yes, people, I get the wood them sort out. See there? With their Hanover. Hanover with there. Yeah, man. Deal with. I get the wood them line up to go. Blaze up the fire, you know, because when soon start rain.
Yeah, talk about fire, you have lighter.
Yeah, man, you don't walk with light. I want you never like a light. You never walk with light. You don't fool it. You don't do foolish shit. You walk without with light. You don't do foolish shit. You have to get light. I want to meet you with that. You have to get light, so. You have to stop in one car or something.
That's the door you want me.
I say, alright, I'll go and carry him across. You can't cross the road because you're busy. You can't take a car. Catch me, I go across the road to do with them. Yeah? Watch out, I just left with the Hanover. See there, Westmoreland me there now. Just left with the Hanover man there, Westmoreland.
Yo,
Ah, ready for you.
yeah, man.
Yeah, back.
Yes, you know that show that place, sir.
Yeah, man, I want to
Yeah, bad, bro. Yeah, man. You want live and direct, you know? Yeah, hot bird for the beach. Your name is Izzy, you see me? Live and direct, man. Yeah, man, he make a US one now. See them, man. I them do the US stuff. Look, US we do it. See them here. I am do with them. See them? You want him make them live and direct for the 7-mile beach. You see?
You know fly off.
No, man. Well trained, man. Well take care of, you know?
Man.
You man go on the beach, you know, next one money.
You see, you show him love because a bird, if no love, no did they not stay.
No, love up to the place.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Alright, step up on the shoulder. Alright.
See that, guys? Even the bird know love. You see that?
Pick, you know, so I just half of this one left, so you know, I get to pick peeps. You know, if you just, we get if you soak in vinegar, water, and season up, go up on the fire. Steam roast, we have steam roast with the crackers today. And first, this is a history we are creating for them. Steam roast, H-chop with crackers. Yeah, man, I'm out.
People guess how old this is. DJ always. You know what I mean? It's been a while, brother. It's been a while. You see me? Swear. All the way from all over. General come through. So you see, Caribbean vibes, we have link all over, man. Jamaican tourists, yeah? We have link all over, man. So bro, as we say, we're going to way up where you sign there, mark welcome to Negril. Couldn't get nowhere up there, so. But we play music up there, so we come back here, so you know what I'm saying. We are going to show it. We have stirring up, and we have stirring up, we have beer, we have... First, I got eat it today. Yeah, I see how we are going to deal with it today, always. Stuff me, I got stop.
Yes, man, when you send yourself on Instagram and Facebook.
Yeah, man, fully, but you know, so I'm not, them actually have my Instagram page 1 year now. I'm not build back none, you see me?
It's pay back, man.
Yeah, man.
So yes, peeps, you get the color them start out now. You don't know, so we're going to get the veg start out for the sauce of fish. As we say we do today, some steamed sauce of fish with crackers. The first in the history they must see them money.
Next thing people ain't gonna look on the channel and you see me.
I want to big up DJ always again, people. It's been a while, well long, you know, bro. Long overdue, bro. But you know, as they say, you're not before time, brother. You see me? I want to say, you know, what's on today's vlog. You know, say some file roast, earchag. You know, many persons know it as earchag in Jamaica, what the correct name is soursop fish. Cooked them with some crackers, you know. And once so Rasta cut up the callaloo, you know, we have to blanch them, blanch the vegetable, if we stuff them in the fish.
DJ is alongside Caribbean vibe. Don't know the thing go. So we have some soursop fish stuff up in the day, you know. Every week is at different settings. No regular. Everything just on a different level, you know. Sky High we are doing the thing right now. Get them as so. Stuff soursop fish with crackers and thing. Little bit for now. Down a Negril on the Long Bay Beach. You don't know the thing go. Yeah man, right that's how we there. Yeah man.
Yeah man. It's hard to come out, you know. When you cut them, normally when we cut them up, we curry them, we get an easier take out again. But you see how we are supposed to belly now, to stop it, it's kind of harder. And we are just cut the head here too, just to take out the gill. But it's kind of harder now how we are doing it whole. Yeah.
I learned something new today. Yeah.
That's a concept of life. Alright, you see that? A row that you know, a pea egg. Egg that you know. Pea egg that. Pea row that.
And you see how people can answer them back?
We see win back.
Stop him in the night to me.
That man, nobody want to win back, bro.
If you don't want the best part of pay come that well.
I'm telling you now, one whole soursop fish me I sit down with and eat them. Whole soursop fish.
Yo. Yes, peeps. We'll get the edge of them wash off. As you can see, they have them in a vinegar and soap. You cut out them belly and clean them up and have them in a vinegar water and soap. So I get my seawater and wash them out. And then we get some more vinegar on them and wash them out. Yeah man. Yes, peeps. We say active man. Caribbean vibes cooking God. Yeah. Here chop for days. As you want to call the soursop fish for days. Yeah man, then I wind bag, you know, we can't dash a wind bag, you know, pay gum them or something, you know. Yeah man, I wind bag them from out of here chop. I wash them up and put them stuff them back in the belly. You know, then get cooked same way. Yes, please, so we get them wash off in the seawater. You know them fish are kind of carry whip around this, so we'll get them back in some more vinegar, some more fresh water. And then we get them salt out. We season them up with the blended season. And make them marinate about 15 to 20 minutes. And then we get them salt out on the fire. Put them in the fire and put them stuff in like the callaloo and the okra and the carrot and such. Active.
Yeah man, so I'm gonna blend the vegetables. So I'm using some scallion, bell pepper, 2 Scotch bonnet pepper, onion. Yeah man, so I'm adding one whole clove of garlic. So fresh thyme. Basically, soursop fish or seafood in general is kind of raw, so we use garlic. Tend to use garlic a lot. And even after washing it with the vinegar, still raw. Love garlic in general. So we are adding the callaloo, you know. So wash it and place it in the bag. So I'm adding a fish noodle. Also some all-purpose season and some fish season. Adding the fish season. About a stirring spoon, all-purpose season. Just a little bit of water. Let it steam for about 5 minutes.
Teacher.
Yes, so I'm gonna add in the okra. Also add in the Irish potato along with the carrot before.
Yes, people, so we're going to get each of them seasoning. Get me a fried paper. And a little garlic powder for them. Good old Maggie. Some little Maggie fish is the same way. Let's eat a little salt. Alright, so we're going to blend up season on it. And we have garlic, onion, bell pepper, scallion, thyme, and a little piece of ginger. Now blend up season. Come on. Whole heap of blend up. See there? You know the fish have to well seasoned, because they're whole. So you have to well seasoned, you know. Anything you want to fish up. We have to get my fish well seasoned because they're whole, in and out. We get the nature of them seasoned up. That's when I find why I'm going to get the callaloo, the vegetable well, so I'm going to go inside. Yes, peeps. As I say, whole of each steam, the file paper, with crackers. Yeah, man, the team out to them, man. Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog, out to them. And a different, you know, different adventure we are getting to them.
Yeah, people, so right now, I stuff the fish with the blended season. I know it's full of herbs and spice. Onion, scallion, thyme, pimento seed. You know, so we leave them to marinate. Guys, look one Rasta. Man, can't wait.
Wait. That we can't wait on each fish. Can't wait to get one whole one in my plate.
I want to get one whole fish.
No man, I want a plate of it.
Why that fish not getting up? Can I have send one tourist them we go to
Food there can't done.
Yes,
And I say when we that forward today, we say alright, we are carry 3 and left 1.
You see?
I say,
When I say you carry 4 of them, that's like a one thing. You know how food thing come down already.
yeah, great. From stuffing the fish. Color low, you know. You make sure so them belly well full. So on the foil paper, I add some butter. So I just lay it over it, and that will allow the fish them from stick. Also add flavor to the fish.
Ready, brother? Let's make a man as well.
And I wrap them.
Yeah man, that is it man. You know what thing though? Them say shorty bread. Shorty bread.
Yeah.
See? So this is our 3 slice. Right? Shorty bread. And callaloo, you know. See that?
Sure, not you, one of each.
And nothing normal, you know. See that? That is it man. Caribbean cooking vlog. I don't know. You can check out my YouTube channel, see how you know. Wheezy dishes, you get what I say? I launch it off big head still, but I don't know the thing go. Yeah man. So they are going full joy, the soursop fish look at it from now. Well stuff up and thing, you know. Big up the video man. So I don't know the thing go. Rasta there. Empress there,
Yeah,
don't know list there, General Caribbean vibes himself, big bad money maker over there, so I go and relax, you know? Yeah man, so there for the acre go on, full joy.
So we get the water for the fish season up. I need a piece of time and we add in some all-purpose, some fish season. We add in the juice of a sauce of fish we use on the season, the marination season. We can have the thyme and the scallion, onion, garlic and bell pepper. We add in this and make it boil up now. So when you start boil up, put on the sauce of fish up on the zinc and go and stir. Fire blaze. Yes, please, we'll get on the edge of it for the fire. Watch it. Whoa. Only on Caribbean vibes, just them something here. Steam roast nature. Yeah, man. Only on Caribbean vibes. Cooking block. You get steam roast nature. Yeah, man. And we say active man. Steam roast nature with crackers. Yeah, man. So I'll come up now with the next thin sheet and make them go on. Simmer. Yeah. Choose my water please if you run down now. Yeah man, I hate that active. Oh. No, but fire blaze all of them, you know. Come on, fire blaze all of them.
Also, we make them stay one year. One side of them have a cook before one. So we have to turn them. So that all of them can cook.
Yes, peeps. Caribbean vibes did it again.
You taste what I go on for water with them a boil. Yeah, man. Full of flavor. You can taste the pimento seed. You can taste overall the herbs and spice in general. Give me a little bit more water for you. Some layer in the crackers, you know. Add them in the juice of the fish. So fish them actually ready, as you can see.
Yeah,
As you can see.
Yeah, man, so what's up fish ready, man? So that's how get the crackers them on the fire. And then you get a little steam. And then we start. Tear out fire car.
Yeah, man, I might want this.
Bon.
Me alone light up one wall, but guess what? Me alone can't take one wall, because you know how it is, visitor always come through.
One thing, man.
And visitor come first.
Yeah. There's always room for food when they come on the people.
So me alone can't eat a whole one. So we can we say share. Yes, peeps. One more hit again. One more great adventure. Caribbean vibes cooking vlog. Yeah, man. Oh. You can see it now. Food ready and all. Fish ready. Crackers ready. We have visit up on the channel. We don't look about. We are all over. East of North. Yeah, man. So we'll get the thing them started and share it and when we start this. Yeah, man, we have to start off and get the fish cut up. You know, say, a whole of each one, so it kind of. As the tall man say, we want a whole of one, but we can't get a whole of one for this one. And then when visitors come through, we have to share everything there. Keep people in the food. But I know, say, we get share out. I know, say, people get the food to eat.
Waste the food, man.
No, waste.
Nervous, man. Like he's nervous. No come to nervous. Now we are shoot video every day, I will like.
For a day like today.
Yeah,
You can't nervous for a day like today.
go on, me take over, you tell me.
Come take on share. You cut up on your share.
Yeah, man. People, Rasta nervous.
No, never.
Blood cell in a Rasta nerve must be bust.
This true you create, man. See that? Caribbean vibes gone road again.
Come and go.
Give me fish part now. Cut off the part of the TV. Meat it part there.
Come in always, come in.
So some fishy deals. Oh, you mean?
Wait.
That is it. Yes, I. I tell you what I go.
Alright. Who's gonna want to go?
Yeah, man. Why? First experience from the soursop fish. It's a good look.
I never feel it that fish.
It's a good look, man.
Never. I taste that.
Pepper right, season right, everything ready. So we don't know people. We don't want to get the authentic and the spiciness. We don't know. Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog. Check out the page on YouTube, you know? Man, we have to big up the video man all the time.
It have a chicken breast piece.
It's the first time trying out the eye experience and it's a on the spot review. Note that I don't really eat steamed fish and crackers often. Not really my favorite. And this stuff. This stuff. Wow.
Nice. You pepper looking nice.
And the pepper have a good flavor, it's not too hot either. It have a nice flavor. Respect. Good bite.
It is very good. And I'm not a steamed fish person. Not none of this. But pepper just really nice. Yeah. Tell about that then.
More sauce of fish down.
Yeah, peeps. Get enough for me and I can. I have all in the show. Real taste. Spice and herb. Real taste.
Yeah man. First time I eat some of the soursop fish. It's a great experience. You get the message? But pepper sing though. Yeah man, which is right.
Active.
So you don't know. It's a good look. Yeah man, well spicy. People don't need to try out this. You get the message? Well spicy and you know, flavor nice and everything. Seasoning, well carpacet and everything. You get the message? So people who don't know, check out the Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog on YouTube. Yeah man, real authentic Jamaican cooking, outdoor cooking. You get the message?
Remember, we survive. Trying to have cooking vibes. Active. Listen.
And the hand cook there, so you bring a big toe.
Catch it, Papa, catch
Yo,
it.
you bad, you fuck. You're my father.
Teach them. Jesus, teach me the game.
And Jesus teach us, bro. Jesus. Yo.
Now go the hand on the big one, man.
Bad man. Bad man. Bad
Going
man.
at the one.
Yeah man, we step up tonight man. Jesus Christ. And in there, what's the fuck this man? Yeah. Never see fuck this man in there. What?
But because I do it with love, bro.
Yeah, my father.
I do it with love, bro.
Best man, best. Bad bro. That's why your name want to come up.
Yeah, so we there, man. Yes, sir.
Bad man, bad man, bad man. Bad man, bad man, bad man.
Is that the first thing you appreciate me? Bye. So guys, right now I just make everybody enjoy themselves, you know? It's all about Caribbean Vibes cooking to the finest. It's all about people who follow the channel, link up to them. So, as me always say it before, I like when people can express themselves about the food, you know? So I rather the followers them talk about the food instead of me I talk about the food. Yeah man. And this Rasta give me to eat out of today. The pot.
Yes, pigs. Come to an end. We come to an end now, you know, sir. Everything done now. So I get the thing them line up. We go on now. Wash off the tin sheet them. It was a great day, peeps. Wonderful day. And next, banging adventure. Steam HAG with crackers. Yeah, man. Pick up on yourself, peeps. Always remember to like, share, subscribe. And you don't know what things say. And we survive. Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog. Active. Boom.
Yeah man guys, before me even end the video, me as a shout out to Dog and Nadisha. Happy anniversary bro. One love. Peace out from Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog. Yeah man, keep safe bro. Yeah man guys, another great day. You know, really appreciate all of the people them who been following Caribbean Vibes cooking. You know, Caribbean Vibes really appreciate the love, don't you? I mean, we just dip on the Long Bay Beach Park and chill out, you know. Look at something in our cup. Yeah man, but keep on supporting the channel, you know. It's a good channel and we really appreciate all the people them who from all over Jamaica who take the time out to link up with Caribbean Vibes cooking, shoot video with us. Shout out to DJ Always. It's been a while like me and him follow each other on TikTok and we really just get the chance now to link up and shoot video, which me really appreciate the support, you know. And like the video guys, comment, subscribe, peace, we out, keep safe guys.